Hello friends, welcome to NiftyHMS. So today we are going to see how you can download Ayurvedic Assessment Form completely free. Yes, absolutely free. Let's see how it works. So all you need to do is go to your browser, type in niftyhms.com URL, or you can also use the URL that's given in the description. So once you land there on NiftyHMS, go to free downloads from the resource drop-down menu. You will see the Ayurvedic menu item over there. Click on that and you will have the couple of languages that you can use it, like Hindi, Marathi, whatever language you want to prefer. Just click on that and it will land you on a page to download the free PDF for the Ayurvedic assessment. Click on the PDF icon and it will open up the pop-up where it will ask you to enter your email and your name. Please make sure you enter your valid email ID because this will send the PDF link on your email. Click on download free PDF once you've done the entry. So it will show you that you need to check your email inbox, whether it's in spam folder or your regular inbox. Do check it out there. So we have the email now received. Now you need to click on the link which says please confirm your email address. Once you click on that link, it will open up the PDF just like you can see on the screen. It has a couple of pages where you can do the assessment easily. So we have completely like 13 pages or something like that. So this assessment form, you can download it, you can print it, you can use it in your practice. You can do the assessment of the patient from the Ayurvedic purpose. So for all Vaidhs, this could be very useful to use in your regular practices. Thanks for watching the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.